Longani Clinics YouTube channel welcomes all of you. Today we are going to study a topic bedwetting or nocturnal enuresis and homeopathic management. Now what is bedwetting? Bedwetting or nocturnal enuresis is a common issue in children, particularly in the early years of life. Nocturnal enuresis is a condition in which there is an involuntary urination during the sleep. It is normal till the age of 5 years, but is a thing to worry if the child passes urine in bed during the sleep after the age at which the bladder control usually occurs. It can be a source of concern for both children and their parents. Here are some of the common homeopathic remedies that are used for the bedwetting. The first one, most important, is a causticum. This remedy is often recommended for children who wet the bed because of weakened bladder or involuntary urination, especially at night. Involuntary urination in the first part of the sleep, also from slightest excitement. It is also used when there are emotional or psychological factors contributing to the problem. The second medicine is a sepia. Sepia is suggested when bedwetting occurs during the sleep or during the first part of the sleep in the night. It may be accompanied by irritability and other emotional symptoms. The next medicine is a creosotum. This remedy is recommended for children who have a strong offensive urine odor and may experience dribbling or involuntary urination, dreams of urinating, enuresis in the first part of the sleep. Next important medicine is a equisetum. Equisetum is used when the child has difficulty in controlling their urine, especially at night, and may have a frequent urge to urinate during the day. Its principal action is on bladder, incontinence in children with dreams of nightmares when passing the urine. Now we will see what are the lifestyle changes we should follow. Behavior and lifestyle changes. Encourage your child to empty their bladder before bedtime and limit fluids in the evening. Use a bedwetting alarm to wake them when they start to urinate. Support and reassurance. Bedwetting can be embarrassing for children. Offer emotional support and avoid punishment. Next point is medical evaluation. If bedwetting persists or is accompanied by other symptoms, consult a physician to rule out underlying medical conditions. Next point is hygiene and protection. Use waterproof mattresses, covers to make cleanup easier, and have your child wear disposable or washable absorbent underwear. Homeopathic medication would help the child. Next point, understand the cause and explain it to the parents. Next, motivate the child with positive attitude to stay dry. Making the child toilet trained would also help. Holding of urine should be discouraged. Now we'll see the concluding part. It is important to note that homeopathic treatment are individualized, meaning the remedy is chosen based on the child's specific symptoms, constitution and overall health. What works for one child may not work for the another, and it is essential to consult with a qualified homeopath who can make an accurate assessment. Thank you.